In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable camera on Firefox browser. If a website can't access your camera in Mozilla Firefox, it's usually because the browser's camera permissions need to be adjusted. Firefox gives you full control over which websites can use your camera, helping protect your privacy while still allowing trusted sites to access your device when needed. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable camera permissions in Firefox so your favorite websites can use your camera without any issues. To get started, open the Mozilla Firefox browser on your computer. Once Firefox has launched, look toward the upper right corner of the browser window and click the Menu button, which is represented by 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main Firefox menu, where you can access the browser's settings and other options. From the menu, select Settings to open Firefox's configuration page. Once you're on the Settings page, look at the navigation panel on the left side and select Privacy and Security. This section contains Firefox's privacy controls, along with the permissions that websites can request. Next, scroll down until you reach the Permissions section. Here you'll find several permission categories, including Camera. Click the Settings button next to the camera permission to open the list of websites that have requested access to your camera. A new window will appear, showing any websites that have previously requested camera access. Review the list carefully and modify the permissions for the websites you trust. Make sure the status for the websites you want to use is set to Allow or Enabled, depending on how it's displayed in your version of Firefox. While you're in the camera settings window, look for the option labeled Block New Requests Asking to Access Your Camera. If this option is currently checked, remove the checkmark. Leaving this option enabled prevents new websites from requesting permission to use your camera, which can cause problems when joining video meetings, making online calls, or using other camera-based features. After you've updated the permissions and confirmed that the block option is disabled, click Save Changes to apply the new settings. Once you've saved your changes, return to the website that needs camera access and refresh the page if necessary. The next time the site requests access to your camera, Firefox should allow the permission request to appear, making it much easier to grant access when needed. And that's all there is to it. Your Firefox camera permissions are now configured, and trusted websites should be able to access your camera normally. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,